as promised, we're going caveman. I have a reciprocating saw. I have a angle grinder with a cut-off wheel. And we're going to go to town. Well, not really go to town, but we're going to stay here and make a convertible. So, if you see what's behind me, it's kind of a hint already that I had the headliner out. I was able to get the gas tank out, but sadly the skid cover plate that the tank bolts to is, how shall we say, has left this world. So I had to come up with another one. My plan was to use the spare tire well in the back end of the bird, but measurements, a 31-inch tire almost fits. Almost. Pardon me a second. Beverage of choice. Alright, we're now using the spare tire well. The evap system, which I think I just showed earlier, it has seen better days. I plan to use everything, electronic and emissions wise, from this 2003. That includes the evap system. The evap system will not be being put in the rear of the vehicle. It will be being put underneath the hood. Hey, it's that guy. No idea. It will be being put under the hood where it should be. At least where it's located in our 97 and 98 Grand Cherokees. As for the parts that have been disassembled, I have the wiring harness tagged and tucked up underneath the dash. All 4 doors have been sold. The rear hatch has been spoken for, including said headliner. I was able to sell the headlights and grille. The rear bumper cover has left us. Not much left here anymore. I got a pile of carpeting and plastic interior pieces that somebody says they're going to be going through. So, without further ado, let's go make a convertible. Okay, now we have a convertible. Well, more or less a convertible. It's not going to move, because right now I have the battery disconnected and the fuel tank out, so it won't start. I have removed the quarter glass. I opted to leave the glass in the body panels and cut around. Somebody will be coming for those also. My plan is to, now that I actually have a flatbed, if you're wondering, you're sitting on it. I plan to cut away as much of the rear section as possible. That will mean cutting through the frame rails and through the spare tire well. So, as for the roof, my plan was to reuse the metal for the floor in the trunk of the Firebird, but sadly it's a very thin gauge steel, and I am afraid that as soon as I put it in, it's going to get dented to hell. So we're going to go the route of truck bed patch panels, and we'll make our own floor. The gas tank will be tucked up in between the frame rails. My plan is to get another cover. I guess they call it skid plate cover, something like that. The gas tank actually bolts to it, and it bolts to the frame rail. My plan is to shorten the height of it to allow the gas tank to be actually tucked up into the frame rails. Now, hang on. All right, thank you guys for stopping by. We're gonna have to call it a day here. You can't tell by the camera, but it's getting dark, and well, it's getting cold. So we're gonna call it a day here, close up shop, and go in where it's warm and where we have more of our beverage of choice. That's what we're gonna do. What you gotta do, you gotta go down there, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get notified every time I post new content here on Everyday Off-Road. If you have anything to say, comments, questions, concerns, criticisms, we love to hear them. Put them in the comment box below. So, for what's left of Donor, everybody else here, we'll catch you guys later.